Today we're discussing how manufacturers approach aircraft development for airlines without hesitation, repetition, or deviation starting now. When designing and developing new aircraft, manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus follow comprehensive and long-term strategies. These processes can take several years, typically ranging from 5 to 6, and require extensive collaboration with airlines as well as considerations of market demands, fuel efficiency, and technological innovation. Boeing's strategy emphasizes fuel efficiency and commonality between aircraft models to meet the evolving demand of airlines. A prime example is the development of the Boeing 757 and 767, which began in the mid-1970s amid rising fuel costs. Initially, the 757 was intended as a modification of the 727, but the plan evolved into a much more advanced aircraft sharing parts with the 767. This resulted in a 42% improvement in fuel efficiency over the 727, primarily due to newly designed wings, lighter materials, and more efficient engines manufactured by Rolls-Royce and Pratt & Whitney. The flight deck design also featured advanced automation, enabling 2 pilot operations instead of 3, further reducing operating costs. Boeing's approach also focuses on designing a family of aircraft such as the 757, 767, and later the 777, so that airlines can use a variety of aircraft suited to different routes while benefiting from parts commonality. This allows airlines to maintain more standardized fleets, leading to operational efficiency in terms of training, maintenance, and spare parts management. Airbus, on the other hand, emerged as Boeing's primary competitor by focusing on innovation and timing. Airbus capitalized on the demand for more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft when it introduced models like the A300 and the A320, which competed effectively against Boeing's tri-engine aircraft like the 727. Airbus also introduced the A330 and A340 in the late 1980s, targeting the medium to long-haul markets. The A330 is a twin-engine aircraft that can carry up to 328 passengers over 5,000 nautical miles, while the A340, designed for longer routes, can carry 295 passengers over 6,850 nautical miles. These models incorporated innovations such as highly efficient CFM56 engines, advanced wings with variable camber to reduce drag, and automated load alleviation, allowing the wing to adapt to changes in weight, speed, and altitude during flight. Airbus's philosophy revolves around maintaining a high level of commonality across its aircraft models, especially in systems, engines, and equipment. For example, the A330 and A340 share 85% of their components, and the flight deck design is standardized across the Airbus fleet, allowing pilots to transition between different models with minimal retraining. This commonality significantly reduces costs for airlines by streamlining crew training, maintenance, and spare parts management. By the late 1990s, Boeing and Airbus had become the 2 dominant players in the global commercial aircraft market. Boeing's strategy of developing fuel-efficient, technologically advanced aircraft like the 777 had allowed it to retain market leadership, particularly in the wide-body segment, but that quickly dwindled as issues rose with the 787, 737 MAX, and 777X aircraft. Meanwhile, Airbus focused on increasing its market share by offering versatile aircraft like the A320, A330, and A340, and now the A350, which catered to airlines' demands for more flexible aircraft. The success of both manufacturers is tied to their ability to predict market trends and respond to airline demands. For example, Airbus's long-term strategy included capitalizing on the shift away from 3-engine designs like the Lockheed L1011 and McDonnell Douglas DC-10 and toward twin-engine models that consume less fuel. Boeing similarly adapted to market trends by focusing on the high-demand long-haul market with its 747-400, which would fly over 7,200 nautical miles. Airbus responded to the 747 threat with the A380, which is the largest passenger aircraft in operation. In what has been a fierce battle for years between Boeing and Airbus for market dominance, Boeing lost its long-held throne to Airbus in 2019. In addition to market demands, both manufacturers face significant external factors that influence aircraft design. One major factor is the financial health of airlines. Aircraft orders are closely tied to airline profitability, meaning manufacturers must carefully forecast earnings and potential orders before committing to the significant investments required for new aircraft development. Another crucial element is government regulations. Aircraft must meet stringent safety, noise, and emission standards set by regulatory bodies such as the FAA and EASA. As a result, both Boeing and Airbus work closely with regulatory authorities throughout the design, development, and certification stages to ensure compliance with evolving regulations. In conclusion, both Boeing and Airbus have developed distinct yet competitive approaches to aircraft design and development. While Boeing focuses on fuel efficiency and operational flexibility, Airbus emphasizes innovation, commonality, and timing. Both manufacturers also consider factors such as market trends, airline profitability, and government regulations, which are crucial for ensuring that their aircraft meet the needs of airlines and passengers worldwide. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more aviation content.